Okay, so here we are. We're gonna put some new line in this cordless string trimmer from DeWALT. And I was able to pick up some line at the home store, the right brand, and a bunch of it. It's gonna last me a long time. So the first thing that we want to do is take the battery out so we don't accidentally start it up. We have this spring-loaded cover here, and what I'm going to do is press it in while holding, press it in and turn clockwise, and it'll come out. And as you can see, it's empty. So what we're going to look for is a couple things here. First of all, inside there, that's where we're going to put the string. And you can see there's a little, maybe you can see, I'm not sure. There's a hole that we're going to put the line in and then turn it back on itself and wind it around, which is the way of this arrow here. These are the keepers, and we'll keep the line when we finish wrapping it. We'll keep the line, and that's about the full mark. Is if you see line coming out beyond that, that's too much line, and that's about where you want to stop, right there. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the line in there. And once I get it in there, it kind of holds, and I'm going to bend it back on itself. And that's the way I'm winding. I'm going to do it 20 times. I don't know if that's going to fill it up or not, but anyway, I want both of them to be the same. 3, 4. Whoop. Uh-oh, that's not good. Tied in a knot. How'd that happen? Weird. I'm gonna put it on the floor. Give it a little more room to turn. So where were we? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And you want to put it on somewhat loose. You don't want to really have it tight. So I'm gonna, now that I have more or less what I want, I'm gonna cut it and then roll it up again loose. And also unwind it, because as we're taking it out of the holder, it's twisted. So this will untwist it, and I'll have enough what I want. So now I'm just going to wind it kind of loose, not real tight, not bunched up on top of itself, so that when I smack that thing on the ground, it'll come out and come out correctly. So I just keep untwisting it. And it doesn't matter if it's twisted a little bit. It's just you want it to come out on its own without having to pull it. All right, so I'm going to leave a little bit of length here. I don't think I can do that yet because I got to do that one. So maybe there's a tip, is do that one first. All right, so I'm going to untwist some of this coming out of the package. It's just the nature of it. It's all rolled up, so as you pull it out, it's just going to be twisted up. All right, so I'll just hold on to this one. And so we're going to do that again. Put it in there. till it stops. So I got it in there, making sure that I'm winding it the right way. It should be the natural way that it's going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20. All right. Just so I got about the same on each side. Whoa, that was weird. Didn't even cut. I was in the hole there. All right, so now I'm going to unwind that again just for fun and make sure that it's not super tight. And it's untwisting at the same time. All right, so this time I can put it in on the opposite one as I've got this one set up. So now I've got it and I don't have to hold it. It's in the keepers. So now if you can see this hole here, there's two of them. A little grass in there. There's two holes where the string comes out. So I'm just going to put the string in there. Oh, came out. Which one was that? The bottom one. All right, put it back in there. Maybe I'll put that one through first. So I got both of them in there. I've got both of them in there, so I get it in place. I get it to where it goes down. It's going to go all the way down. I'm going to take and both of these and pull them. Okay, so now I'm going to push it in and turn it counterclockwise until it clicks. That's a little click, okay? But that's it. It's all done. So now what I'm going to do is cut the string. And this is probably something that we could do outside, but why not right here? You get it? Looks good. Sounds good. I think we're good. Good deal.